What is cedar fever, and why do many people suffer from it during the winter?
Cedar fever happens because the mountain cedar trees, they basically explode, right? And so the pollen just goes everywhere about the same time of the year, and the air is just filled with cedar pollen. And I think, once again, it's just people that are in Texas have a high level of cedar allergies. It just really causes people to be very symptomatic, and they tend to be more likely to get sick. And it's a bad time of the year, right? Because it's during the winter time, and the cold air also predisposes people to being more sick than they would other times of the year.
Sinusitis. We know how to treat it.